animal in front of us. Holy frickin' lady shit! Look at this metal hill!
Yes! Let's move on. Wait, hold my drug money.
Yeah. Yeah. Go, go!
I'll take it, for fuck's sake. It's raining.
Oh yes! You rolled down that hill! Oh yes! You rolled down that hill, Belena!
I'm so brutally
Holy frickin' cow! I don't even know where we are now.
Sport round corner to the pub.
To the left, to the left. Not to the right, because that'd just be awkward for everybody. Whoosh!
I've got the hiccups.
I can crop it.
I cannot do it anymore.
When you're ready, go, because we can crop. I won't look, I won't look. Oh, I've got a child's bladder, you know.
I said that to my mum and she slapped me.
Guys, we're going to go now because we do not love the mice.